Welcome back everyone to another video on working on this Fox body. Today we're going to get into parachutes, handles, brackets, caps, installs, all that fun stuff. So let's get right to it. You got a parachute, you're ready to open it, you want to go fast, but you need the accessories that obviously go with the parachute, like to open it, right? So pretty basic stuff here. You're going to need a parachute handle. I scored a deal on Black Friday and got theirs, but they're roughly 100, 150 bucks, something like that. Unless you can catch them on sale, it might be a little bit cheaper. I just have the standard Motion Racerworks one, which is right here. I just have it mounted above my head. You want to obviously put it where you are going to feel comfortable grabbing and throwing it, and there you go, boom. Comes with a cable, and I believe this cable is 12 foot. I went ahead and routed this. I have yet to drill a hole. Additionally, you can also have this accessory for the parachute, which is a bracket cable holder. There's your part number right there, as well as a cap. Now the billet end cap, this is very important. If you guys know about Cletus and stuff, his parachute recently did not deploy because this cable was not capped and the metal from the cable itself frayed on the bag and got hung up. So he had to slam on his brakes, and thankfully he has good brakes. But that could be you, and you don't want to end up in a wreck because you didn't put a $8 billet cap on the end of your cable. So highly recommend that. The bracket's like 40 bucks, optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And those are about the only two accessories you'll need, unless you have something more advanced like a CO2 operated parachute, which if you do, you're probably not watching this because you know what you're doing. For me, I'm going to do the right thing and probably just drill a hole, but you're going to want to cut yours to length. I was thinking about drilling this hole right here where the normal license plate would go, or hole for the license plate that's already provided there. Drilling through there, feeding the cable obviously through the back, and having it sit, you know, something like that. Obviously I have to lengthen this. So that's going to be the project. Pretty self-explanatory. Obviously want this fixed where it needs to be. And the main thing I would say is before you go and cut your length, I'm gonna leave an extra little bit just because I have space back here. But you want to make sure your parachute cable is, let's see, thrown. So you want to have it pulled out, if I'm saying that right. So cable, and yeah, so if you pull it, cable goes in. So when you go to cut it, you want to throw the parachute handle as far as you can, and then cut your cable. So I'm going to cut it, and then when I put it back, this middle part will pop through. Don't make that mistake. I'm going to set you guys up here, finish kind of drilling a hole, routing this thing before it gets too dark. I'm going to put that bracket on there, and we'll see how it looks. Let's do this. Alright, so finished up. Pretty simple. This cap is a little tough to get on, just gets really tight, so I got on best I could by hand. Use a pair of pliers, but just put a little tape over it. Keep it secure, but that's gonna work out great. This is actually probably worth the money. Just keeping everything nice and tight, in line. Hole turned out pretty good. So I have a little extra slack. I'll probably end up zip tying it here. Take it for what it's worth. If that helps, it helps. Last thing will be just securing the handlebar all the way down. I gotta tighten those up. Nothing crazy. Just to recap, hang your handle, run your cable, tuck it all away, find out how much you have left extra. Always cut a little bit more because you always take more off, and you can tuck away the cable under your mat or your trunk or wherever. Just hide it on the side of the fender, wherever. Cut a little bit more off. Make sure the handle is fully open. Make your cut, pull the handle back out. The middle piece that goes through the string on the bag will come out. File everything down so it doesn't get hung up on anything when you do pull it. Put your cap on if you got it, and your bracket if you got it. And there you go. A parachute handle cord operating, ready to get opened up. I do recommend opening these, even though they come pre-packed, ready to go, whatever you have brand-wise, and just to learn how to pack it and also make sure everything is 100%. So last thing you want to do is, trust that it's good, and then go to open it the first time and it unfolds terribly, if at all, and have an injury. So that's pretty much it. Dr. Pickles is almost done. And side note, if you haven't noticed by now, I have merch now. I will have, my website is under the About tab on my channel, so go check that out. Got a couple designs already. I'll be working with some people I've kind of don't know, weird situation. But I have some designers working on designs going forward here in 2023, so I can't wait for that. But go ahead. This is just a prototype, but it's been cold and I knew I was gonna be out here, so I ordered one. They fit great. They are true to size too, but check them out. I'll have the link in all descriptions below from now on out in all my videos. So check out the shop. For the new year as well too, we'll be having a sale starting on the 4th. You can take advantage of that, get you some swag. I have hats, shirts, long sleeves, kids, babies, teddy bears, you name it. Starting up a website. So show me some love and support. Let's kick off 2023 with a banger. Have a blast. I will see you on the next one. We're gonna get this car finished up and dynoed. Let's get it.